everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Raiffeisen TWINT on new mobile phone transfer from old phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you got a new mobile phone and want to transfer Raiffeisen TWINT from your old phone, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store on your new phone, and then on the search bar type in Raiffeisen TWINT and then tap on the app and then tap on the get button to simply download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up the app, and then once you are here, tap on start. Now here what you need to do is tap on no, I'm already a user of Raiffeisen TWINT, select no and then tap on continue. Now here what you need to do is provide your mobile number and then tap on continue, and then you'll receive a SMS code to confirm your phone number. Then you will receive a new activation code by mail. Once you receive the letter, scan the QR code inside the TWINT app to complete the setup. Then uninstall the TWINT app from your old device to avoid any conflicts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.